In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to generate custom text fields in your preferred language. To get started, go to the Settings menu, select Languages, and add a new language. For this example, I'll choose Portuguese and click Add. At first, all screens are still in English. You could manually update each text field to Portuguese, but instead, you can use the Translate with AI feature. With just one click, AI will automatically translate all content into Portuguese, saving you significant time and effort. Once the AI translation is complete, remember to review the content before publishing. When you're satisfied, click Save to apply the changes. You can repeat this process for other sections, such as the dashboard or any additional lists, ensuring your entire platform is available in your chosen language. Next, enable the new language and log in to your member portal to make it available for your users. By default, the portal will be displayed in English because English is set as the default language on the admin side. After logging in, you can switch the language to Portuguese, and the entire dashboard will be displayed in Portuguese. Any areas that you have translated into Portuguese will also appear in Portuguese. And that's how you can easily translate your entire portal into your preferred language using AI. Thank you for watching.